This is the ABN chain braking kit, which is currently the best-selling chain breaker on Amazon. It comes with tooling to break multiple sizes of chains as well as attachments for riveting, but I got the kit primarily just to break 520 size motorcycle chains. Unfortunately, as you'll see in a moment, I did end up breaking one of the tips. Before using the breaker, I used a grinder to grind down the rivet heads of the link I was going to remove. Personally, I would never attempt to use the breaker tool without doing this step. The directions that came with the kit were fairly straightforward, so it wasn't too tricky getting the pieces together and getting started on the braking. The link pin and the chain put up a long hard fight, so I was applying lots of pressure throughout the entire process until it was pushed just about all the way out. After I felt the release of pressure, I knew the pin was finally pushed out, and I backed up the tool to find that the tip of the braking bit was busted. Looking back, I know that I chose a braking tip that was too small. I should have gone one size up. The appeal of the smaller size was that it was easier for me to strike in the middle of the chain link pin and avoid the sides where the link plates are. But for the next brakes I did, I went ahead and used the larger size of braking tip, which did a great job for the most part. It did mushroom a tiny bit on the tip, I should mention, but it still did the job. In conclusion, speaking within the scope of breaking 520 motorcycle chains, I think this tool is a pretty decent value as long as you choose the right size of braking tip. As one final thought, I do want to mention that one thing I'll be doing differently moving forward while using this tool is putting a little dab of grease on either end of the braking tip that I use, which as I'm twisting it on will reduce that rotational strain on the tip. And I think maybe if I had done this with the original tip, it might not have broke, but oh well.